Hey, this is our second day in Switzerland. We were in Zurich yesterday. Now we have come to Rhinefalls. It's already 12 p.m. so we were thinking to have lunch here. We were searching for Indian restaurants. Let's see how it goes. We'll see how it tastes here. Food can be a concern, especially if you prefer only Indian cuisine. However, there are many Indian restaurants that offer good Indian food, although it can be little bit pricey. We had lunch at Indian restaurant called Adriana. The food was really good. It is very near to the Rhine Falls and it is near to the bus stop as well. After this, we are heading towards Rhine Falls. Now we are going to Rhine Falls. It is the largest waterfall in Switzerland. It is easily accessible by train or bus, particularly close if you are staying in Zurich.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger
We hadn't had much expectation from this Rhine Falls, but it is really very beautiful. It is the biggest falls in the Europe. So we just did 15 minutes boat ride in front of Rhine Falls. There are different boat rides according to time, like for 15 minutes, 30 minutes and all. We took 15 minutes boat ride and it was really worth doing.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I left.
From Rhinefalls we came to Lucerne, which will take up to 2 hours. From Rhinefalls we have to come to Zurich, then Zurich to Lucerne. Here we have come to Chapel Bridge, which is very famous attraction here, which dates back to 17th century. This is the oldest bridge in the whole Europe, and it is really beautiful. It is in the center of the city and everyone is taking pictures. I think this is the main attraction in the Lucerne.
Figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the skies.
Inside the bridge, you can see a lot of paintings that are from 17th century. This bridge also survived a fire incident in 1990s. That time some of them were destroyed and later some of them were restored.
I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
So we came back from Lucerne and we reached very late, around 11 p.m. We are in our room now and we had some sandwiches which we brought from Coop. And tomorrow we are going to Interlaken, so we have to catch that train. So I'll meet you in the next video. Bye.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.